Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Simon. I hope you're ready for some great math today. Today and this week, we're going to be talking about math story problems. So, when we do that, you'll see words because it's like a story and it has numbers in it. And then you're always going to see them end with a question. You see the question mark right here? And they're asking us to solve something, kind of like solving a puzzle. Let's see what I mean. Hey. We're at the beach. How many people love the beach? I know I do. I wish I was at the beach right now. Let's read the story word problem. Are you ready? It says 3 kids were swimming in the water. 3 more kids were on the sand. How many kids were at the beach? So that's a word problem. And what we do is we look at the numbers and we think about what they're asking us. They're saying there were 3 kids swimming in the water. So we can act that out. We can put 1, 2, 3 kids swimming in the water. And then it says there were 3 more kids on the sand. So let's put 1, 2, 3 kids on the sand. And then it has a question. How many kids were at the beach? That means how many in all? So what we have to do is we count them all together. So you can help me do that. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And then you keep counting because I want to know all together. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 3 in the water and 3 on the sand. So that made or equals 6 in all. That was a word problem, boys and girls. Let's try another one. Wow, this time we have a brother and a sister, and you see they're in their house, and there's some toys down here. So let's see what our math story word problem will be. It said, I had 3 toys. That means he had 3 toys. My sister had 4 more toys. How many toys did we have all together? See the question mark? They want to know, how many toys do we have in all together? So let's think about it. How many did the boy have? Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many did the girl have? 4 more. So you don't say that and that's 4. No, it says 4 more. 4 extra ones, 4 of her own. So we have to put 4 on this side. There's her 4 toys. So then it says, how many in all? So can you count all the toys together? His 3 and her 4 and tell me how many in all? 1. How many in all? Yes, I hope you said 3 and her 4 makes 7 in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful, boys and girls. Let's try one more. I was trying to find one we might really enjoy. Hang on, we're getting there. There we go. At the farm. Now, let's read this one. It says there are how many? 4 dogs and 2 chicks on the farm. How many animals are on the farm? There's our question. They want to know how many are there. So let's act that out. If we had how many dogs? Look at your number. How many? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many chicks? Yes, 1, 2. And then we have a question. How many animals are on the farm? So you add them together. Or count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. So 4 and 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and the 2 is or makes or is equal to 6. 4 and 2 is 6. Beautiful. You want to try one more? How about, some French fries and hamburgers? That sounds yummy to me. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Tacos. Tacos and French fries. Let's go. It says, I ate 2 tacos. How many tacos? 2. And then I ate 4 French fries. How much food did I eat? Wow. They want to know how much food did you eat in all. So if you ate 2 tacos, let's put them up here. 1, 2 tacos. See the 2? And then it says what? 4 French fries. So you got to add how many French fries? Yes, 4. 1. Whoa, that's a lot of French fries to eat. 3, 4. 4 French fries. So it says, how much food did I eat? See the question mark? How much in all? What do we do? How much did he eat? You tell me. Yes, he ate 2 tacos and 4 French fries. 2 and 4 is 6. Beautiful. I hope you have a great time working on the projects that are in your packets this week with problem solving. Spend some time, maybe you can make up some stories of your own. Have a great day. You know we love you. You know we miss you. Work hard.